Mezaparks is a historic neighborhood located in Riga, the capital city of Latvia. Its history can be traced back to the late 19th century when the area was developed as a recreational and residential zone. Here is a brief overview of the history of Mezaparks in Riga. Early development. In the late 19th century, Riga was experiencing rapid urbanization and industrialization. To provide a green and serene retreat for the city's residents, a decision was made to create a large park area in the northern part of the city. Mezaparks, which means forest park, in Latvian was chosen as the site for this project due to its natural beauty and proximity to the city center. Construction and expansion. In 1910, the construction of Mezaparks began under the guidance of city architect George Kuphold. The park was designed in the Art Nouveau style, reflecting the prevailing architectural trends of the time. The initial development included the creation of a central boulevard, wide alleys, and the planting of numerous trees and flowers. The World Wars. During World War II, Mezaparks suffered significant damage as the park and surrounding areas became a battleground. However, after the war, efforts were made to restore and expand the park. In the interwar period, Mezaparks became a popular recreational spot. It featured a zoo, a small amusement park, and various sports facilities. Unfortunately, during World War II, Mezaparks once again faced destruction. The park was heavily damaged and many of its buildings were destroyed. After the war, the Soviet occupation led to a period of neglect and limited public access to the park. Revitalization. Following Latvia's independence, in 1991, efforts were made to revitalize Mezaparks. The park underwent extensive restoration and renovation projects. The iconic Mezaparks open-air stage, a large amphitheater designed for open-air concerts, was restored and became a popular venue for cultural events. The residential area surrounding Mezaparks also experienced development, with new houses and apartment buildings constructed. Today, Mezaparks is known for its picturesque landscapes, beautiful Art Nouveau architecture, and recreational opportunities. Modern Mezaparks. In recent years, Mezaparks has continued to evolve and adapt to the needs of its visitors. The park features extensive walking and cycling paths, playgrounds, sports fields, and picnic areas. Mezaparks also remains a cultural hub, hosting various events including music festivals, theater performances, and art exhibitions. The neighborhood surrounding Mezaparks has become an attractive residential area, known for its elegant houses, apartment complexes, and tranquil atmosphere. The park's proximity to Lake Kisezers adds to its charm, providing opportunities for boating, fishing, and other water activities. In conclusion, Mezaparks in Riga has transformed from a green oasis, created to provide respite from the bustling city, into a vibrant neighborhood and recreational destination. Its rich history, combined with its natural beauty and cultural offerings, make it a beloved place for both residents and visitors. Liela Estrāde, which translates to the Great Stage, is an iconic open-air concert venue located in Riga, the capital city of Latvia. Situated in the Mezaparks neighborhood, Liela Estrāde has a rich history and plays a significant role in the cultural fabric of the city. Here is an overview of Liela Estrāde in Riga. Construction and design. Liela Estrāde was constructed between 1912 and 1914. During the height of the Art Nouveau movement, the architectural design was the work of Āzins Laubī, a prominent Latvian architect. The venue was intended to serve as a spacious outdoor stage for various performances, including concerts, theatrical productions, and public gatherings. Laub's design incorporated elements of Art Nouveau, characterized by ornate details, curved lines, and decorative motifs. Unique features. One of the standout features of Liela Estrāde is its circular seating area surrounding the stage. The seating can accommodate several thousand spectators, providing a wide view of the performances. The circular design allows for excellent acoustics, ensuring that the music and performances resonate throughout the venue. The stage itself is spacious and equipped with modern sound and lighting systems, enhancing the overall experience for both performers and the audience. Historical significance. Liela Estrāde holds immense historical significance in Riga's cultural landscape. Throughout its existence, the venue has hosted numerous notable events, including concerts, music festivals, theater productions, and political gatherings. During the Soviet era, it became a popular venue for political rallies and mass gatherings. The open-air nature of Liela Estrāde has made it a symbol of openness, freedom, and the power of cultural expression. Cultural events and performances. Liela Estrāde continues to be a vibrant center for cultural events in Riga. It hosts a wide range of performances, including classical music concerts, pop and rock concerts, opera, ballet, theater productions, and even film screenings. The venue attracts internationally renowned artists, orchestras, and performers, making it a sought-after destination for both local and international talent. Surroundings and accessibility. Liela Estrāde is located in Mezaparks, a picturesque neighborhood known for its lush greenery, scenic landscapes, and proximity to Lake Kisezers. This natural setting adds to the charm and ambiance of the venue, providing a serene backdrop for performances. The park area around Liela Estrāde offers ample space for visitors to relax, stroll, and enjoy the surrounding beauty. In terms of accessibility, Liela Estrāde is well served by public transportation, making it easily reachable from various parts of Riga. Additionally, the venue provides ample parking facilities for those arriving by car. In conclusion, Liela Estrāde in Riga is a beloved open-air concert venue with a rich history and cultural significance. Its architectural splendor, circular seating arrangement, and exceptional acoustics make it a favored destination for performers and audiences alike. Liela Estrāde continues to thrive as a vibrant hub of artistic expression, showcasing the diverse and dynamic cultural scene of Riga. Lake Kisezers is a prominent freshwater lake located in Mezaparks, a neighborhood in Riga, the capital city of Latvia. It is one of the largest and most popular lakes in the city, offering a range of recreational activities and serving as a scenic natural attraction. Here is some information about Lake Kisezers. Layout, size and location. Lake Kisezers covers an area of approximately 534 square kilometers, 2.6 square miles. It is situated in the northern part of Riga, specifically within the Mežaparks district. The lake is bordered by lush greenery and forests, contributing to its serene and picturesque surroundings. Natural features. Lake Kisezers is a natural, freshwater lake formed by glacial activity during the last ice age. It has a maximum depth of around 9 meters, 30 feet, and an average depth of approximately 2.6 meters, 8.5 feet. The lake is fed by several small streams and springs, and its waters are primarily sourced from rainwater. Recreational activities. Lake Kisezers offers a wide range of recreational activities for both locals and visitors. During the summer months, the lake becomes a popular spot for swimming and sunbathing. The lake's clear waters and sandy beaches provide an inviting environment for people to cool off and enjoy the outdoors. There are designated swimming areas with lifeguard supervision to ensure safety. Additionally, Lake Kisezers is ideal for boating and water sports. Kayaking, canoeing, and paddleboarding are popular activities on the lake. Boat rentals are available, allowing visitors to explore the lake's scenic surroundings at their leisure. Fishing is also permitted in Lake Kisezers, with several fish species such as pike, perch, and roach being common catches. Mezaparks and cultural attractions. Lake Kisezers is a key feature of Mezaparks, which is known for its beautiful landscapes, parks, and cultural attractions. Mežaparks is home to the historic Mezaparks open-air stage, where various concerts, performances, and cultural events take place. The lake enhances the allure of this neighborhood, providing residents and visitors with opportunities to enjoy nature, picnicking, and leisurely walks along its shores. Accessibility. Lake Kisezers is easily accessible from different parts of Riga. The Mežaparks neighborhood is well connected by public transportation, including buses and trams, making it convenient for people to reach the lake. There are also parking areas available for those who prefer to drive. In conclusion, Lake Kisezers in Mežaparks. Riga is a scenic and popular freshwater lake offering a range of recreational activities. Its natural beauty, sandy beaches, and proximity to cultural attractions make it an attractive destination for both locals and visitors seeking relaxation, outdoor activities, and the enjoyment of nature.